This aquamarine glaze is brand new and it's not mixed. I noticed when I opened it that it was very watery at the top and there's sludge at the bottom. It's very important that I mix it very well before I start glazing. Otherwise, I might not get all of the chemicals and minerals in the glaze that I need to turn it the right color. I might just get some of the lighter ingredients that make up the aquamarine glaze, and all of the heavier ingredients that make up the aquamarine glaze might go to the bottom. So I need to do a very good job of mixing it before I start painting it onto the test tiles. Okay, now I have glaze all the way up my brush. If I hold on to that brush, I'm going to get glaze all over my hands. You don't really want to get glaze on your skin because there are minerals that can be toxic to humans and animals in glazes. So you want to use a different brush if you want to go right away, or else just clean your brush off so you don't really want to touch that. Okay, that's better. Now we are ready to apply glaze to this test tile. Okay, here's our red and our aquamarine. These two are right by a peephole. Here's the outside of the kiln. You can see the peephole. That is so you can look into the kiln and see what's going on in there during the firing. I put another flame over here. There's another aquamarine. It's falling off of its stilt. That's better. And then I put another red way down there with those turtle projects that have pink clear transparent on them. And when we fire the kiln, we're going to see what happens and if there's any difference between all those different tiles depending on where they were in the kiln and what the atmosphere was like at that place in the kiln during the firing. Okay, let's start the kiln. Okay, let's close the lid. Oh, it's heavy. It's a really heavy lid. This is a big kiln. And we're going to turn the exhaust fan on. There it goes. It's loud. I'm going to move this piece of paper. I don't want to have anything that can burn near the kiln. Okay, it's 2 days later, and the kiln is totally cool. It's 89 degrees. And we can now turn off the exhaust fan and open up the kiln and see what's going on there. Let's see. Oh, and all of the tiles are fired. Oh, that looks like the flame turned out really well. This flame turned out well also.
How are you?
As did this one. You can see that all of these underglazes are shiny and they're not pink. They're just glossy and shiny. Here are the tiles that we painted like watercolors, and they also had clear glaze and they're also shiny. Here's the aquamarine. Here is the rojo. Here's a finished turtle that's been glazed, and you can see this kid, Varun, did a really good job on the underglaze and the clear glaze. He didn't put any clear glaze on the bottom, so it's not shiny. You can still see the color for the other underglaze, which is basically colored clay, but it didn't stick to the kiln shelf because he didn't put any clear glaze wherever it would touch the kiln shelf. Good job, Varun. Now you know all about glazing, and you are ready to glaze your clay projects. Have fun!